Hello. Today we're presenting the PNI Greenhouse WS230 LED floodlight, a 200-watt model designed for strong, stable and efficient outdoor lighting. Inside the box you'll find the LED floodlight, the adjustable metal bracket and all the mounting accessories you need for a solid, secure installation. The adjustable bracket allows the floodlight to be mounted on walls, fences, or metal structures. The lighting angle can be set precisely, directing the beam exactly where you need it. With 17,540 lumens and a 6,500 Kelvin color temperature, this floodlight delivers clear, cool illumination, ideal for yards, garages, warehouses, or industrial spaces. With an IP65 rating, the WS230 withstands rain, dust and low temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance in any season. Its advanced LED technology ensures low power consumption and long lifespan, keeping operating costs to a minimum. PNI Greenhouse WS230. Power, clarity, and safety for any outdoor space.